Excel ribbon and their commands. Online pictures. It is a feature to search and insert online pictures from various types of sources, such as from the free photo library, and you can also search for a Bing image, and you can also browse a SkyDrive folder to insert the picture into your worksheet. Take a screenshot. Take a snapshot of any window that is on your desktop and add it to your document. Simply we can create a snapshot of your screen and add into your documents. Apps for Office. Insert an app into your document and use the web to enhance your work. It is a web page that you can embed into your worksheet. In Excel, you can have two types of apps: content app and task pane apps. A content app is inserted into the body of the worksheet and appears as an object embedded into the sheet. A task pane app appears alongside the worksheet in a separate task pane. This type of app can be used to provide additional functionality. Power View is a data visualization technology that lets you to create interactive charts, graphs, maps, and other visuals that bring your data to your life. The core of the Power View is in its various type of data visualization that will enable you to portray the data, visualize, and explore all in a dynamic mode. The different type of Power View visualization that you can have are table, matrix, card, and different type of charts and map. To create a Power View, first we want a Power View add-in that must be installed and enabled in your Excel. Sparkline. Sparklines are tiny charts that reside in a cell in Excel. These charts are used to show a trend over time or the variation in the data sets. While sparklines are tiny charts, they have limited functionality compared to the regular chart, and sparklines are great to show a trend and make your reports and dashboard more reader friendly. Unlike regular charts, the sparklines are not objects. These charts are reside in a cell and is a background of that cell. There are three types of sparklines in Excel. There are line, column, and windows. Slice and timelines are filters that are mostly used in pivot table and in pivot chart.